storage unit, Rich.
I did.
You did?
Oh, you did?
It's done?
Yeah, I took all the waste out of there, but all my tools and stuff are still there.
See, how you get, it'd be tough to get rid of those tools.
So here's the thing. So yes, a table saw, let's say a table saw is $1,000.
Yeah.
So I could get rid of the table saw and buy a new one for less than what I've paid in storage fees.
Right.
But what people don't understand are the molding cutter heads, the sliding tables, and all the other jigs that I made for that particular table. Plus, it has outfeed rollers. It has on a rolling base. I have dust collection set up on it. So it's some of that incidental stuff that to sell the cabinet saw is one thing, but I still have all those other parts and pieces that if I throw those away, I still have to remake them, which is not as easy as it sounds.
Right.
So there's a lot of reasons for just doing it. But again, I didn't know what I was going to do when I got here. I didn't know I was taking an office job, and it is rents are expensive.
Yep.
So it'd be nice to have a shop.
Yes.
But there's nothing on the rock.
Uh-huh. There you go.
Is what it is.
And you know what? Yours is a little bit of a different situation. You know, I'm talking more about people who their house is just so overflowing with stuff. You know, it's going to save them money by clearing stuff out. It'll save time. You're not going to be dusting all those little knickknacks and things like that, which is kind of crazy. Knick-knack, paddywhack, give your dog a bone. Easier to find things. You're not going to lose your keys as much. You're not going to
sure about that?
misplace your glasses as much. If
sure
you
about
are
that?
more organized, I am sure. If you are more organized and every time you come in and you have a cute little dish for your keys, I am positive you will not be searching for them as much.
What if it's not a cute little dish? What if it's like just a basic bowl? Is that okay?
Yes, a basic bowl is fine.
Okay.
Think about doing less laundry.
Why? Then I'll start to smell.
I didn't say do laundry less often. I said do less laundry.
Why?
Because you're not going to have...
You're still dirty and, the same amount of clothes every week. Or are we just going to start wearing the same clothes over and over and over again?
Well,
if you do laundry every day, you do.
But it just seems...
Because the same thing always ends up on top.
Oh, see, there you go.
To me, right, the more things you have, you're just going to keep grabbing from a drawer and pulling out new instead of doing that little pile of laundry every day. And you're going to get to the bottom of your drawers and you're going to have this humongous pile of laundry.
What?
And then you're just going to have to be.
You just do laundry once a week. Throw it in the clothes basket.
Right, you do laundry.
And then you go and throw it all in there.
I don't know, it just seems like the more things you have, the more you just keep pulling out new things and your pile just gets bigger and bigger and bigger and you never do it.
The less clothes you have, the more often you have to do laundry.
Yeah, but it's a smaller, more manageable load. I don't know.
I had changed the oil in the truck the other day, the other night, and I got splashed. So, and it's one of my old Vision T-shirts, and I still have. I don't know how many. So the boss is like, "You really need to just throw that out." And I says, "Yeah, but we could put it in the pile in the closet here, which is for working on cars. The ones where when they get really, really trashy, goes, do you need another one of those? You've got, I'm like, all right." Because if I was smart, I would have actually put one of those on when I went and did it, so I wouldn't be throwing away another one.
Right.
But,
no, the boss, if she's throwing it out, she doesn't put it on top where I can see it and take it back out. She tucks it down underneath so I won't see that it's been gone.
Mm-hmm.
And then,
nice.
But yeah, she hides that.
I bet there's a lot of stuff we could throw away, from our spouses that they wouldn't even notice it's gone. Do you ever have people drop in the house or you want to entertain for a holiday and it's just too stressful because you can't keep the house clean or because you'd have to go through and clean the house and you can't have people over because it's just too much of a hassle? So if you are less cluttered, you're more apt to entertain.
Okay.
You're more apt to not freak out and stress when people drop over. So trick-or-treating, we had like 2 people come to our house, literally. And one person, our garage is open because we just walked in. They walked in to the garage and then walked into our house. Yeah. We knew them. They weren't just,
Okay.
But
I was
it's
say
like
strangers just walked in your house.
No.
yeah,
Where's your candy? I want some candy now.
But if it was, a situation where the house is always dirty and cluttered and, you might be like, oh my gosh, just too overwhelmed. If you set a good example, like for example, wow, I didn't thrift shop when I was younger. Now I thrift shop all the time and I'm taking nieces with me, and neighborhood friends and stuff. And people love the idea of thrifting instead of buying new things. And right now, stores like Forever 21, I'm not 100% sure, but I do believe that a lot of them are filing bankruptcy because it's like a disposable clothing. So buy clothing that's more vintage, clothing that you can just reuse, resell, donate back, things like that, instead of, spending all
The
your
bell
money.
bottoms are back.
Bell bottoms are
I
back.
can wear my bell bottoms again.
Have one or two really
Nice.
good pieces of, coats or athletic wear or whatever it is, instead of like the $2 clothes that you. I'm just.
Mushy House.
Bye-bye. We'll be back right after this.